In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a test email within Canva. So here I have this email that I made, and to send a test email, just click on the Send Test Email button at the top right, and then you can change the subject line to whatever you want. I'm going to keep it as this, as a test email, and you can change your email that you are going to send to. This is because this email is connected to your Canva account. So just have another Canva account logged in if you want to change it, and now just click Send Test Email, and as you can see it says test email sent, and you can see it in your email. So just go to your inbox, and then you're going to see this is a test email right here. So I sent this before, so this is another sent. So as you can see, it got sent, and it got sent by Canva email. If you want this to be sent by another person, so such as you yourself, then you have to use the share and then Gmail and then export to Gmail feature. This feature I talk about in another video, but that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.